Hello friends, good morning. As today we are going to see a bridge course for subject English. Don't skip this video. So it will be the basic thing for you to learn everything newly. So we know we use normally we use some words in our day-to-day life like difficult, same, etc. So instead of using all those simple words, we are going to use, instead of those simple words, we are going to use some new words. So according to that, today we are going to see a new words for the word difficult. So let's start our class. So don't skip this video. Try to see the video full. If you have any doubt, if you need any other related topics, please comment me and share this video to all your friends. Let them have use on this video. Let's start. So difficult, what you mean the word difficult? Which is too hard to do, so that is considered as difficult. For the word difficult, we have more new words. So let's see one by one. So all these new words help you to develop your English knowledge as well as your vocabulary, your grammatic skills, etc. Now let's move on. So the first new word for the word difficult is tough. We have heard this word more times: tough, hard, painful. Painful. So tough, hard, painful, demanding. So all these four words we have heard somewhere in our day-to-day life. So all these four words can be replaced for the word difficult. So from now we are going to see the new words which we didn't hear in our day-to-day life. So let's see what are the words. These words can also be replaced for the word difficult. So the next word is arduous, challenging, laborious, problematic, toilsome, uphill, exacting, taxing, and wondrous. So tough, hard, painful, demanding. All these words we have pronounced already. So the word arduous, challenging, laborious, problematic, toilsome, uphill, exacting, taxing, wondrous. All these words are new words. These words can replace the word difficult. Use all these words in your sentence instead of using difficult. So now let's see one sentence using the word difficult. Then we'll use all these new words instead of the word difficult in the sentence. Difficult. I feel difficult to study maths. We can use understand. I feel very difficult to understand this sum. Instead of the word difficult, we can use all these words. So now let's try. I feel very tough to understand this sum. Next word, I feel very hard to understand this sum. Next, I feel very painful to understand this sum. I feel very demanding to understand this sum. I feel very arduous to understand this sum. I feel very challenging to understand this sum. I feel very laborious to understand this sum. I feel problematic to understand this sum. I feel toilsome to understand this sum. I feel uphill to understand this sum. I feel exacting to understand this sum. I feel taxing to understand this sum. And last, I feel wondrous to understand this sum. So, what I said the first sentence, can you remember? Yes, the first sentence what I said is, I feel very difficult to understand this sum. Now what we are seeing here, instead of difficult, we can use all these new words. So using all these new words, I have made a sentence. Now it will be more understandable to you. So you can also use all these words in your day-to-day life instead of using the word difficult. So hereafter, daily we will see the new words instead of a simple word. So if you have any doubt, please don't feel free to ask your questions. Sure, I'll clear all your doubts and share this to all your friends. So let's make this quarantine days very useful by learning all these bridge courses. Okay, thank you.